Hello, I just wanted to introduce you to our Generation 2 BullDog valve robot. It's a smart home device that mounts over an existing ball valve. Right now we have it mounted on what I would consider a very large 1.5 inch valve just to show its torque. So this is a 3/4 inch valve, solder type, which is typical in your home. So this device supports very large valves starting at, goes as low as a 1/2 inch up to this 1.5 inch valve. So you can run this thing various ways. So you can manually run it, of course. There's a clutch under here I'm going to push with my finger, and I'm going to try to hold this still while I give it the torque. So that's with the clutch, and I'm going to push it back. So it's a pretty tough valve. Of course, you can push the button on the controller that it comes with, and we'll let it finish its cycle. You can just see how powerful it is. But it is a smart home device, so the idea is that you can control it with your phone and integrate it into your smart home. So I'm just going to show you how I have it running on my phone here. Alright, so there it is there, water, so we can see that it's off, and I can turn it back on again. So the idea with that is that if you had so basically you can use your smartphone to manage your water shutoff. And that was great for cottages or rental properties. Just lets you remotely, from anywhere at any time, shut off or on your water. But the real idea is that you would use it in the case of a leak. So here's our water sensors, but there's lots of other water sensors that are compatible. And ours comes with a base that you can mount on the wall, and then you hang the probe and tape it to the wall or the floor where there might be a leak. But it's also portable in the sense that you can just place it on the floor. You can see the little spring-loaded prongs there, so you put that on the floor somewhere, in the laundry room, by the dishwasher, by the hot water heater, and if it detects a leak, it'll shut off the water. So I'm just going to show you that right now. So I'm just putting this tray here. So when I put this in here, it should shut off the water. I'm just going to wait so I can show you my phone. It'll send a leak alert to my phone. Okay, so alright, so there's the water is on. I'm going to put this in the water. I received a leak alert, and it shuts off the water. And that's how you prevent, water damage in your home. You're not around, something happens, the laundry overflows, the bathtub overflows, the leak sensor gets wet, it shuts off your water, then it sends you a note to let you know, and then you can decide what you want to do next. It can also be configured depending on the controller that you use, so that it doesn't matter if you lose power or if you lose internet, it'll still shut off the water. And I just want to show you just other couple cool things in the smart home. So I just have a Z-Wave button here, and I've configured it, and hopefully when I push this it should toggle the water. Alright, so that shuts off the water, on the water, whichever you prefer. And I'm going to just show you one more thing. I have the Amazon Bluetooth speaker here, and it also works with Google Home. So I'm just going to, I can just tell, in the case of an emergency, which would have been handy for my wife the other day, Alexa, turn off the water.
Okay.
And that's it. Ecomets Generation 2 Smart Home BullDog Valve Robot.